Muslim English Language Institute. Vocabulary, lexical resources. Listen to the translation of the words, repeat them, and listen to the examples.
Number 1. Arrow. Tir. Noun. An arrow is a thin, straight stick shot from a bow. Example. The arrow flew through the air and hit the target.
Number 2. Battle. Jang. Noun. A battle is a fight between two armies during a war. Example. The battle lasted for many days.
Number 3. Bow. Kمان. Noun. A bow is a weapon made of curved wood and string that shoots arrows. Example. He went hunting with a bow and arrow.
Number 4. Brave. دلیر یا شجاع. Adjective. When people are brave, they are not afraid to face pain or danger. Example. The brave firefighter saved the girl from the burning building.
Number 5. Chief. Ra'is. Noun. A chief is the leader of a group of people. Example. The chief led the people through the mountains.
Number 6. Disadvantage. نقطه ضعف. کمی یا کاستی. Noun. A disadvantage is a situation where someone is likely to lose. Example. Mike had a disadvantage in the race since he hurt his knee.
Number 7. Enemy. Dushman. Noun. An enemy is a country or a person that's fighting another country during a war. Example. The enemy prepared to attack the kingdom.
Number 8. Entrance. ورودی. Noun. An entrance is a place where someone can enter an area. Example. The gate was locked, so Bill had to find a different entrance.
Number 9. Hardly. بندرت یا کم. Adverb. If something hardly happens, it almost does not happen at all. Example. I hardly saw the concert since I had to leave early.
Number 10. Intend. قصد داشتن. Verb. To intend to do something means to plan to do it. Example. I intend to finish college in 3 years.
Number 11. Laughter. خنده. Noun. Laughter is the sound produced by laughing about something funny. Example. Suzanne's joke made her classmates burst into laughter.
Number 12. Log. کنده درخت. Noun. A log is a thick piece of wood that is cut from a tree. Example. The fire was too small, so we added another log to it.
Number 13. Military. ارتش اردو. Noun. The military is the armed forces of a country. Example. I joined the military after I finished high school.
Number 14. Obey. اطاعت کردن. Verb. To obey means to follow what a law or person says you must do. Example. My little sister did not obey my mother. Now she is in trouble.
Number 15. Secure. با زحمت به دست آوردن. Verb. To secure something means to get it after a lot of effort. Example. I was able to secure a good grade on my test after weeks of studying.
Number 16. Steady. استوار یا پایدار. Adjective. When someone or something is steady, they are under control. Example. The problem was hard, but she remained steady and solved it.
Number 17. Trust. اعتماد کردن. Verb. To trust is to believe that someone is honest and will do what is right. Example, I trust my friends. They don't tell my secrets to other people.
Number 18. Twist. پیچیدن یا پیچ دادن. Verb. To twist something is to wrap it around itself or another thing. Example, she twisted the spaghetti around her fork.
Number 19. Unless. جز اینکه. Conjunction. Unless means if not or except when. Example, unless you clean your room, you cannot play with your friends.
Number 20. Weapon. سلاح یا اسلحه. Noun. A weapon is an object that can be used to hurt people. Example, swords have been used as weapons for thousands of years.